Hello, with this video we start the series on 3 antiepileptic drugs, valproic acid, topiramate, and zonisamide. The series includes an introductory video, videos on retrosynthesis and on the resulting syntheses. Here the systematic names, CAS numbers, and structures expressed in 2 and 3 dimensions for valproic acid and zonisamide. We can visualize valproic acid as a derivative of valeric acid and zonisamide as a substituted benzoxazole. Topiramate can be considered as a fructopyranose bisacetonide with a sulfamate group. Topiramate presents 4 chiral carbons with the configuration shown here. Valproic acid can be visualized as a derivative of valeric acid, a natural product present in the Valeriana officinalis plant, which has neuroprotective properties. Although originally valproic acid, synthesized in 1872, was used as a solvent, its antiepileptic activity was discovered by chance until 1962. Topiramate, a derivative of fructose, was originally designed for the treatment of diabetes, and its antiepileptic activity was discovered by chance. Zonisamide emerged from the study of numerous derivatives resulting from varying the general structures of benzoxazoles and benzoxazoles. The 3 drugs have in common that they are considered to have various mechanisms of action, some of which are not completely understood, especially valproic acid. Valproic acid and topiramate are considered to increase the activity of the GABA neurotransmitter and block voltage-dependent sodium channels, while zonisamide blocks T-type voltage-dependent calcium channels. Numerous analogues of valproic acid have been studied. The carboxylic acid group can be replaced by amides. The hydrogen atom in the alpha position to the carboxylic acid group can be replaced by a fluorine atom. Analogues with restricted conformations can be obtained through cyclization, and the carbon chains can be modified with different branching patterns. Here the previously mentioned modifications are illustrated with compounds that are at various stages of clinical research. For topiramate, the sulfamate group is required, and the linking group at positions 4 and 5 of the fructose can be replaced by a sulfate. For zonisamide, there is little information on its structure-activity relationships. The sulfonamide group is necessary, and the groups that can bind to the nitrogen must be small, like methyl or ethyl. Valproic acid was first introduced in France by Sanofi under the brand name Dapoquine and is on the WHO list of essential medicines. Topiramate was patented by McNeil. Introduced in the United States by Ortho McNeil Janssen under the brand name Topamax. Zonisamide was patented by Dynapon and introduced in Japan by Dynapon Sumitomo under the brand Exagram. The 3 drugs are indicated for the treatment of various types of epilepsy. Valproic acid is also indicated for the treatment of bipolar disorder, and topiramate for the prevention of migraines. The 3 drugs have good oral absorption, and they are administered this way. Valproic acid can also be administered as an injectable. It has relatively long half-lives, especially zonisamide. Here, the adverse reactions considered common are shown, and the rare ones that can be severe and require medical surveillance. Here are some relevant physicochemical properties for the 3 drugs. The retrosyntheses and the resulting syntheses will be presented in the following videos. Thank you for your attention.